What's poppin'? It's your girl Taejha coming to you live, crusty and dusty, fresh from the gym. And in today's video, I just wanted to show you guys what my favorite food is and what I love to eat literally after I come home from the gym. And I think that this is the best after gym food to eat and literally just the best, like one of my favorite meals to eat in a general sense. So stay tuned.
Little baby in a bag in a Birkin.
So we got the rice in the rice cooker. It's already going. Oh shit. That is cooking. Don't mind the ghetto ass rice cooker. The top is broken, but gets the job done. Now we need to season this salmon. Gonna use some garlic salt and some chili powder. I hate catching fish. It smells like a nasty ass woman's public restroom. This vagina. Fresh ass salmon smell like vagina on my hands. It's nasty. Maybe cooked. Skin side down, but there's not much skin on the salmon naturally. A little butter on my meat. Babe.
Yeah.
Babe.
Yeah.
I need help. I need help to beat my meat. Up and oil. Make sure the oven is on broil. So I'm gonna broil. I'm gonna broil this salmon. He doesn't even know what he was doing. He was like, sorry.
I can't today. I actually figure it out.
Like what?
So, you know, start.
Little water. Pretty chompable, chompable. Not too hard, not too shabby. The salmon was fresh and it's in the oven on broil, so that ain't gonna take long to cook at all.
Bitch, I'm so sure you got it.
Cute little meal. I definitely did go a little seasoning salt crazy, so don't do that. Don't add as much seasoning salt as I did, but other than that, this is about to be bizarre. No, I noticed, but like you literally like can't eat the asparagus without.
I don't care to
Like you literally only eat the little tiny.
It don't really got no flavor, and I don't like watery parts of vegetables. That shit is.
Like you only eat the little like tree leaves off the
I
asparagus.
can say yes to that.
That's so interesting.
I just don't like the bottom part, like all that watery.
Well, I'm
shit.
coming to you guys even crustier and dustier than before, but you know, it's the real motherfucking me.
And I don't even like.
But yes, thank you so much for watching my channel and watching my video. Love this. Yes, favorite food, favorite meal. Asparagus, rice, and salmon. Eat your some right after the gym. It's gonna fill you up. Eat it anytime. And it's gonna be good for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. And yes, see you guys next time. Bye.